How to delete Instagram account permanently. Well, hello everyone, welcome into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can permanently delete Instagram account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to proceed to open up Instagram application. Once you open up Instagram application, what you want to do is you want to go to the prompts, you head into the profile at the bottom right corner. Once you head into the profile at the bottom right corner, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and now you'll be on the setting and activity page. Once on this piece, select account center option, and once you select account center, you'll be able to see these various options. Head into the option here that says your information and permissions, and you'll be able to see these options. Now right here, before you used to get the option to delete account, but after the latest update, you want to head into the manage account option. Under manage account, you want to select your Instagram account here. You can see manage account beside every account connected. You want to tap on manage beside the account that you like to delete, and then select deactivation or deletion. And now make sure the blue circle is on delete account by tapping on it, and then select continue. Go to the prompts to delete your account. This is how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.